Let's take a closer look at how the INX works. When used with the included 5 diopter lens, you can achieve up to 2.25x magnification. The lens is easy to remove with no tools required. Carefully lift the lens out of the INX while securing the lamp head and replace with the new lens. With the 8 diopter lens in place, our magnification increases to 3x. Increase magnification even further with a 12 diopter lens, offering 4x magnification. Finally, let's take a look at the highest power INX lens, the 15 diopter. With the INX 15 diopter lens, we can achieve 4.75x magnification.